Okay, in the last video, we talked about this problem sum whereby you have a photo frame, okay, with a length of 20 cm and a breadth of 8 cm, okay, and there was a wire wrapped around it, and we wanted to find what was the length of the wire, which is actually is simply the perimeter of the uh, photo frame. Okay, so how do we find it? It's actually 20 plus 8 plus 20 plus 8. Okay, why? Because rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so that is why I get 20 plus 8 plus 20 plus 8, so which is whatever that is here. Now, okay, let's say I add a second part to the question, which is what is the area of the photo frame? Okay, so what is the area of the photo frame? Okay, so what is this area? This area. Okay, so how do we find out? Okay, remember the last video I talked about finding out the area of a rectangle or maybe a square. It actually doesn't matter. Okay, but how do we find it out? Okay, let me do a quick recap. Okay, it's actually the length. Let's say I have a length of 20. Okay, I just add many lines and many lengths of 20 cm length. Okay, I just keep adding and adding and adding and adding and adding. Okay, but the real thing is much closer and much thinner and actually pretend okay it fills up the whole box. Okay, my drawing isn't that accurate, but I think you get the point. Okay, you add 20 cm length up till you fill up this whole photo frame here. Okay, so you fill up the whole photo frame with this 20 cm length. Okay, you keep filling it up, filling it up, filling it up. Okay, until you fill the whole thing. So what are you actually doing? Okay, in a number sentence form. Okay, this is actually what you're finding. Okay, so the area is okay simply 20 multiplied by okay 8 cm. Okay, so it's 20 multiplied by 8 here, okay, which is the number of lines, okay, worth, okay, which is 8 cm worth, okay, it's so thick, okay, it's 8 cm thick of 20 cm lines, so it's 20 cm lines, 20 cm lines, that is 8 cm thick, okay, so that is why 20 multiplied by 8, you should get 160 square centimeters. Okay, remember the units. Okay, so this is part B. Okay, so it's 160 square centimeters. Okay, so the answer for part B is 160 square centimeters.